AK Sir, your English language tutor.
Never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness. Bad days give you experience. Worst days give you lesson. And best days give you memories. When something bad happens, you have three choices. You can either let it define you, let it destroy you, or you can let it strengthen you. Don't let people make you feel bad or guilty for living your life. It is your life. Live it the way you want. Sometimes it's very hard to move on, but once you move on, you'll realize it was the best decision you have ever made. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come.